So hello, my name's James Niblock. I'm from Pico Technology, and this week we're in Embedded World, and I'm here with Gareth. Gareth, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Gareth Conway. I'm the CEO of AntennaWare, and we're live demoing antenna performance at the show here at Embedded World.
So Gareth, would you mind talking us through the setup, what you're demonstrating here this week?
Yeah, so AntennaWare is in the business of making antennas for wearable products, and what we wanted to show potential customers this week at Embedded World was the performance difference between printed and chip antennas compared to our body wave antenna. When we developed the body wave antenna, we were looking something that was agnostic to the platform we set it on, which for us was the human body, but it also works well close to metal. So we were looking something that maintained its impedance performance and the S21 performance, the path gain performance from a remote monopole. So we were able to take antennas that were in wearable products with our customers and compare them live at the show, which helps us then gain interest in our technology and proof it out.
Excellent, and you're using our PicoVNA here. Can you talk us through the setup and how you're using the VNA software and what it's showing you?
Yeah, absolutely. So for a number of years we were looking to be able to do this at the show. Pico technology allowed us the mobility to take something with us to the show. What we were looking to do was do a 2-port measurement. Port 1 going to a remote antenna and port 2 connected to the antenna under test. We were looking at the S11 return loss performance, and we were looking at the S21 path gain. That allowed us to assess the impedance stability of the antennas, but also we were able to estimate the loss of the link.
Very good. Are you able to use the PicoVNA for, is there any other use cases? You mentioned you have a research background.
Yeah, so my research background is at Queen's University in Belfast. I teach a module on connected healthcare, which is healthcare sensing, wireless healthcare sensing. I was able to take this Picotech technology into the lecture last week and do live demos to help explain the fundamentals of wireless communication to the students, and very easy to use. And I probably think of trying to get one for myself. I purchased one for teaching, but also for the research centre.
Very good. Well, look, Gareth, thank you for your time.
No problem, Jim.